Question 1. When will you say a body is in uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration? Answer. Uniform acceleration. When a body's velocity changes by equal amount in equal interval of time, it is said to be in uniform acceleration. Example, free fall under gravity. Non-uniform acceleration. When a body's velocity changes by unequal amounts in equal intervals of time, it is said to be in non-uniform acceleration. Example, a car moving through traffic. Question 2. A bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration of the bus. Answer. Initial speed u equals 80 km per hour, which is equal to 22.22 meter per second. Final speed v, which is equal to 60 km per hour, which is 16.67 meter per second. Time equals 5 seconds. A equals v minus u by t, which is equal to 16.67 minus 22.22 divided by 5, which is equal to minus 5.55 divided by 5, which is minus 1.11 meter per second square. Acceleration equals minus 1.11 meter per second square. Negative sign shows deceleration. Question 3. A train starting from a railway station and moving with uniform acceleration attains a speed of 40 km per hour in 10 minutes. Find its acceleration. Answer. Final speed v equals 40 km per hour, which is equal to 11.11 meter per second. Initial speed u equals 0. Time equals 10 minutes, which is equal to 600 seconds. A equals v minus u by t, which is 11.11 minus 0 divided by 600, which is equal to 0.0185 meter per second square. Acceleration equals 0.0185 meter per second square. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our Get Skill Up channel for more educational info.